Here, take one.
Yeah, I have a
What does water? Let's see what water comes out to.
Water comes out
Water.
to 8, right?
I think so. Let's
check it out.
I need a piece of paper really quick.
piece of paper?
Yeah.
Oh, Jeffrey, under you I have it.
I'm good.
Okay, cool.
What would you like?
Water. Water, of course.
She's been trying to wear one of those all day.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. What's that?
That's just antenna. No. That's my safety strap.
No, it doesn't come out.
Safety strap.
Wrong. I
Okay.
think it's even more powerful than an 8.
Wow. Let's see.
Water is a 5, 6. Let's see, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. 5, 1, 2, 5, 9, 6, 8, 13, 9. It's a 22-4. Mastery.
What is that? Mastery?
22-4. It's the master builder.
Wow.
So what happens is that when you're drinking water, it empowers you because you yourself are that architect of that substance, of the essence. So within water is the essence of life. And what's happening is that you're really connecting and being, it's like downloading mastery when you're drinking water that's
Wow.
pure.
Thank you.
So,
I just wanted to say
drink water, be a master.
I did it at your workshop 2 years ago. The numbers.
Yes, Johnny, how was it for you?
Great, but
Are you getting my newsletter?